Welcome to the Estate Planning Minute with Michael Glassford. These videos answer the estate planning questions that you have to help understand what estate planning is and how you can use it to protect your family, build your wealth, and live better. You have so many choices these days to get things done. Today is the tax filing deadline. You may have done them yourself, or you may have gone online and used software to help get things done, or you may have hired a professional to prepare and file your taxes for you. Which way is best? It depends on your situation and what you need. I would think if you went to an accountant or a CPA that you're going to maximize your tax preparation because they know the rules of the game and they can help you play it best. Some of you may think that your situation is not complicated, so you choose an online option or you just did it yourself. That's fine if that is what you want to do, but you may never know what you left on the table simply because you didn't know enough to know you didn't know. When it comes to estate planning, the options are similar. You can do it yourself, you can download documents, or you can hire a professional to get it done quickly and correctly. There's actually nothing wrong with the documents you download from the internet to start your estate plan. The problem is us. When we do that, we have no idea what the documents we are signing are actually doing for you, for your family. There could be consequences and problems baked into the forms that you never knew to be concerned with. That's why my services are unique. I bring 2 decades of experience to an online user experience with pricing more akin to online rather than traditional planning costs. In the end, you just want to get it right. Make sure that you use the best tools for your situation to do just that. This has been another Estate Planning Minute with Michael Glassford. Help me keep making these videos by hitting that subscribe button below. Let's get the word out there. Thank you for all your comments, likes, and shares. For more information, connect with me at legallifeplan.com.